Hey everyone, Dr. Nuesse from EasyDotPhysicals.com back again with another video. This one a little bit different. I'm going to be talking today specifically about YouTube and its policies surrounding and as it pertains to marijuana related content and the monetization policies and the stuff that's been driving me crazy trying to make these videos. I would really love to hear if anybody out there also makes content, again, surrounding marijuana or about marijuana, informational videos. Let me know if you are having some of these same struggles, because I'm just going to kind of air it out to the best that I can. I've made some notes here about the problems and what I've seen work and what hasn't worked and how to become monetized and how to not, and how to become demonetized, because I definitely can tell you how to do that as well. Again, you might not be interested in this type of video if you're a regular viewer. This more goes out to other content creators. But if you are a viewer and you are concerned about passing an upcoming drug test, I will say this, like I say it in every video, the best thing you can do is home drug test. It is easy to do that. It is very cheap. Home drug test consistently leading up to a official drug test, and make sure you're using a drug test that has the same cutoff level. I'll leave my preferred home drug test that you can get from Amazon in the description box below. And also to learn all the things that you should be doing before a drug test to give yourself the best chance of passing that drug test, please visit exploroacademy.com. They have a 100% pass your upcoming test or money back guarantee. All right, so let's go through what I found when making videos, again, related to marijuana on YouTube and their monetization policy. So I make videos, this is just me, that I'm sure are 100% compliant. There is an educational, recreational drugs component kind of check that you have to check when you upload a video to YouTube and you want to get it monetized. You want to be able to have ads run on that video, which we all do. Again, it's not cheap or easy or not time consuming to make these type of videos. This one will be, because I won't be doing a lot of editing or graphics. But it takes some work, it takes some time, it takes some effort, so we want to be monetized, or else what's really the point? You know, I'd like to get that information out there, but I like to be able to make a little bit of money to keep this channel going as well. So what I make is educational videos. I'm not making videos that show you how to sell drugs or show people using drugs or anything like that. So I'm 100% certain that I comply with the educational recreational drug component, which should allow videos to run on, or ads to run on, all of my videos. So even then, even though I check that it's educational drug related when they are marijuana related videos or other drug related, especially testing videos, that's what I do. Even though I check that box, every time, almost every time that I go to upload, I get the dreaded, and you know this if you upload videos, you get that circle with an exclamation point, and it says that we've identified an issue why your video cannot be monetized. And I've then have to go back and take certain things out or change titles and things like that. And this, from my experience, is what I've found, and I would love to hear anyone else out there that makes similar type of videos to mine, what you do. Maybe we can get a little dialogue going and figure out the best ways to keep these videos monetized. So, and again, one other thing before I move on to that is sometimes you can, or you can always have the option to get it manually reviewed. This is just the algorithm that finds something in the video, marijuana, that says that this video is unsafe for most advertisers, so will not be monetized. And then you can click manual review, which means a real human being will watch the video and see if it complies with, again, the educational component in this particular case. And even when I've done that, and I've only done it a couple times because I don't feel there's any use to it, it still gets confirmed as not suitable for ads. Again, even though if you've watched any of my videos, it's all about education about the drug testing process and new research and the laws and all of that kind of stuff. So, all right, moving on. So what I have found is, and again, I'm just reading down here on my notes. If I check comply with the educational standard, the words marijuana or cannabis, both of these, and they're kind of interchangeable again in my opinion, they cannot be in the tags. So you can tag videos that's not in the description, not in the title, but just keywords that people might be searching for that better helps YouTube promote your video. And if marijuana or cannabis is in the tags of my videos, the videos that I have made, I can't get it monetized. I have to take that out, or I can't put it in. If I put either one of those words in the tags, it's always demonetized. Now, if I take them out, it potentially could be monetized, because what I have also found is that sometimes, and I don't know exactly why, but marijuana or cannabis can be in the title of the video. So I have a lot of videos, if you look back, that have the word marijuana in the title and they are 100% monetized, but it seems to be in the tags is where I run into trouble. And I'm about 50-50 on whether I can put cannabis or marijuana in the description. Sometimes I will have it in the title and then I will have it not in the tags, because the tags I just cannot ever get it to go through as far as becoming monetized. But in the description, sometimes when I take it off, then it will turn green. I will be able to have the video monetized. And sometimes when I take it out there, it won't monetize it anyway. So it's about 50-50 of if cannabis or marijuana are in the description. I think maybe what it comes down to, because sometimes I'll write longer descriptions, is maybe the percentage of the description that has those words in it. So if I write a much longer description and it only has marijuana or cannabis in it maybe one time or two times, but it's a very long description, I think I find it easier for the video to get monetized. Again, just what I have found. And the other thing that I found that almost always demonetizes a video, and this one really kind of sucks in my opinion, because I like to give, especially when I'm doing videos with scientific data in them, I like to link the research that I am quoting in the description. And if the research seemingly has marijuana in it, or is marijuana or cannabis related, the video becomes demonetized. So a lot of times in my videos, I want to link the research, but I just can't, or else the video becomes demonetized. So with all that being said, I have gotten into a system where after about 15 minutes, unfortunately, after trying to upload a video, I almost always get it to go through where they are monetized. Some of them not. You'll see some of my videos will not have ads run on them, and I just haven't been able to, but I don't want to sacrifice the video and the information, just because of the ads. I have been able to, but it's just a pain. It's an extra 15 minutes of work that I just don't think is necessary, because I do think I comply with all of YouTube's monetization standards. All right, I would really, if anyone out there makes these type of videos, let me know what you have found, so things that work for you, things that 100% make your videos not get monetized. I would love to have any of this information. It just makes life that much easier. All right, back with some regular content next week. Until then, everybody stay safe.